Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Well, here's an example of how you can make money both ways on a stock. Now, first of all, CABA. Now, if you've been in the room before, you know that I try to explain to people that if you see the same stock, now this CABA showed up in my abnormal option activity plus the 10-day daily breakdown, okay? And it showed up a little earlier in the abnormal option activity, but look what happened here. So this is at 11:16 Eastern time, and the idea was to short this at 11:50. That was the price, okay? So look what happened from 11:50. It got all the way down. Come on, cursor. Got all the way down to 10:50. That's a $2 drop. So, I really hammer this point home. If you see, I've got two scans. One scan is called abnormal option activity, and one is called the 10-day daily breaks, either up or down. And if you see the same stock in each one of these, then pay attention to it. And so, what Pepe in our room, he gave us one that basically combines it, so you don't have to look at both scans to check to see if stocks are in the same scan. So there it is at CABA. But, so that was a tremendous short. And then Shady in our trading room said, you know what? This looks like it's going to bounce. And he had the alert at around 10:35. And look at the bounce it had. I mean, just a tremendous bounce. So how to make money both ways? You can make money on the short side, and then you can make money on the bounce side. Had you been in the trading room, you would have seen this all live in real time. All right, everybody, want to get back in the room. So have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.